Welcome to Study Loop.
Hello everybody. This problem is pretty interesting because here at point P the electric field is E naught for plus Q charge, so it will be plus Q by L square into K. So E naught value is this one. So when whatever we express, we should express it with as E naught. Now for this force, for this charge, the force will be acting along PS direction because it will be repulsive force, and here for this charge, this force will be acting in PR direction. This will also be repulsive force. So the resultant of PR and PS will be equal to, we can find out E prime, and that will be equal to E naught square plus E naught square plus 2 E naught square into cos 2 theta, because this angle is given as theta and this is also theta, so the whole angle between them will be 2 theta. So from here, and this will be under root, so from here we get root 2 E naught into root 2 1 plus cos 2 theta, and that will be equal to 2 E naught cos theta. So we have got the value of the resultant between PR and PS. Now for this charge minus 3Q, there will be a electric field here also acting, and that will be attractive, means towards this direction it will be acting. Now this E prime also will be acting in this direction, so the electric field for minus 3Q will be added up to this E prime to get the resultant electric field or net electric field. So for minus 3Q charge, the electric field at P is, say this is, we are going to find out E, say this is E, so E will be 3Q by 2L square of that into K, and it will be 3Q by 4L square into K, or we can say this is 3 by 4 E naught. So these two forces 3 by 4 E naught and the earlier force 2 E naught cos theta will be acting in the same direction. So net electric field at P is equal to, that is 3 by 4 E naught plus 2 E naught cos theta. So if we take E naught common, it will be 3 by 4 plus 2 cos theta. So this is the net electric field. Now at P, the potential due to plus 2 plus Q charges will be, so potential V1 will be equal to V2 will be equal to Q by L into K. So potential, and this will be plus due to plus Q charge, and for V3 for minus 3Q charge, that will be equal to minus 3Q by 2L into K. So total potential or net potential at P is equal to plus Q by L into K plus Q by L into K minus 3 by 2 Q by L into K. Now this value is given as V naught, so it will be V naught plus V naught minus 3 by 2 V naught. So finally we'll get V naught by 2. So that's it. Hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.